In this video, I'll be showing you how to get TikTok app on Mac. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any Mac you have. So all you want to do is go over to your browser of choice. Well, I'll be using Google Chrome, and it is the one I recommend, and I'll show you why. So all I want to do is go ahead and type in TikTok, and then let's say I typed in TikTok download. As you can see, it's an Android application only. There is TikTok for App Store, but that's only for your phone. So whenever you go on it for Mac, you're only going to see a share button, which is obviously not what you want. So all you want to do is open up TikTok as you normally would. Now, once it's open, you're going to see everything. And all you want to go ahead and do is press these three little dots on the top right. Go ahead and scroll down. You're going to see cast, save, and share. Then what you're going to see is install page as app. It's going to say install this page as an app, and it's going to show TikTok with the TikTok logo because it recognizes it as an application that can be installed. Now all you want to do is go ahead and click install here, and now TikTok is open as its own application, which you can use whenever you want. It's literally installed on your Mac, so you don't have to open up your other browser to now go on TikTok. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.